guitar is like pure science. Those who did pure sciences, I have never done pure sciences though, but I know guitar is like pure sciences. So those guys, man, they will never sleep. When you go out, and I will be holding a book. So same thing with the guitar. Early in the morning, deep in my sleep and thoughts, my left eye slowly will open and my right one follows suit in response to these melodious sounds of this guitar piercing through my ears from afar. I could hear the high and the low notes in syncopation and anticipation spontaneously and kinesthetically rummaging through the fretboard on the first bar, the second bar.
I would feel like there is another third eye which is very extraordinary, but you can't just see it with your own eyes as well. You can't even see that third eye.
This third eye, I never want it open because it's so powerful. It is so powerful that once it opens, it takes me up and suspends me up a little above your heads and make me peep a bit into the hidden treasure that is well prepared for me as a new king will be reborn. Look, the sky is full of rainbow ribbons to be showered on the day. This fraudulent IQ tells them they can direct and maneuver the lot. The hyenas concealed in the sheepskin looking good to the public with their dull and deceived eye. The hypocrites who are full of imagining power that will never come factual. My future wife living in the present. This clock I want to reset fast forward to our future before I rapture. Your dynamo gives me power to 1 billion heartbeats per an hour. Already I presented you to your future in-laws. Yes, I know it better, so don't be bitter. Who is accountable for the Hiroshima episode? You know it better, don't be bitter. Count in the Nagasaki. Who is accountable? You know it better, so don't be bitter. And I asked you, sweet Lorraine, could it be, and how high the moon? But instead I only saw the shadow on your smile, and I knew I'm not the one. However, I knew someday your prince will come and it will be after the rain, and only my footprints will remain, because I can't give you anything but love. Oh, willow, weep for me. Oh yeah. Clap hands for yourself. Oh yeah. All humans are equal, but it doesn't end there. Some are more equal than others, and I also agree, because sometimes and not all the times an equation can't be solved unless all are involved. All humans are equal, but some are more equal and more human. They've got some more power and become superhuman with self-giving superpower. Life and death in their own hands, and not you are so bottomless that extraordinary microscope can exhume you and expose you, yet a lot won't even spot you. You are armed and perilous, but I'm not scared of you. What made me to be acquainted with you still aches my thoughts, and thinking of this makes my psyche like a corrupted patient. Whether it can be repaired still terrorizes my
Don't give a F about y'all niggas, that's about family. I ain't really with the plane, but I search hoes like time zones. Orders with the Rolex, can't slow it down unless I get pulled over. Yeah, I might be the fifth, can't say none about that, officer. She look at me, then she look back like she don't know where we both going. She said I'm bipolar, I'm polar opposite, her eyes cold. Look shiny on the eyesight, but it's worth not.
Aren't I a black woman? My children and I are free today because Harriet Tubman stood against physical hardships and rescued around 300 former slaves, escorting them to freedom through underground railroads. I write my bravery down. Maya Angelou passed it.
Thank you.